Yeah, you see the K on the front of the door? And the bricks.
Bunch of like kids' toys and stuff in here.
Watch your step over here.
I can stuff everywhere, frankly.
Yes.
The cool thing is
Ooh, is that a crib? That's fucking. Oh, there's toys. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, that little fire truck. I didn't see that. What the fuck is a dictaphone?
You dictate it what you want and it.
I thought it was like some type of service. You know? Dictaphone.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty. Not CPU, Seaside. At least fuck 'em up. And you know what my first experience with them was? I was up at the top and I dropped my fucking phone from the top floor to the bottom. Yep. And then I tried to go home and my GPS was stuck at Seaside. So it just wasn't updating. And I was like, great. I'm going to be stranded out here. And luckily a cop pulled me over and told me where to go. It's like a floor clean. Ooh, the old fridge. That's freaking cool. Oh, there's a couple. Yeah.
Mine's such like a monotone, like two-tone.
Yeah.
Scheme.
The top reminds me of this my favorite factory. You ever been to the music factory? Hey. That's super pretty. Oh, there's more green. Oh, it is weird. Is that their like closet?
I don't know.
Was there a bathroom there maybe?
Yeah, but look how high it is. And the second one is this.
Yeah, the second one doesn't make sense, but
It looks like a doorbell.
the only thing I could think of is like maintenance, like to open up in the wall like they do.
That's a doorbell.
A doorbell?
Yeah.
Hey neighbor, you wanna fucking take our meds together? It's like a fucking old preamp. Should probably not touch that, but that's cool. Alright, love this thing.
What is it?
It's like an old preamp. Or like what I use in the studio now, but an old one. It says compression master aux 1 2. I wonder how old this is. What kind is it? Bogan Acoustic Master. I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't even think I filmed this that much. I'm too interested. This looks like cafeteria kitchen, yeah.
There's nothing really in the rooms, but there's something right here.
Is that like a Hot Wheels thing?
Yeah. Used to be these all over the
Oh,
wall.
cool.
That's sick. I love finding original fucking paintworks.
There's a door I got it. It's a little different, but
What cool doors.
Oh, that's mushy as fuck. Nice. Yeah, careful. I just did the same thing. It's like quicksand. Almost took my shoe. Now see, this is where I would come out if I slid down that thing. Right here. You saw it over there?
What's that?
The artwork?
No.
Right on the right.
Here?
Right there. Walk up like 2 more feet and then turn to your right. See it?
yeah, that's really what I was looking for. I had another one, but it's just a wet.
Yeah, I almost just lost my shoe.
I like it. Detached toilets. Wow.
It's because probably nobody comes down here.
Yeah. I mean, people did for a while. I don't know. That's interesting.
You better not jump out and scare me. Shit. Where'd you go?
Hello.
Hi.
There's nothing on there, there's like an exit, but
Shit.
like if we have everyone here, we're about equidistant, so it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Like we walked through some wetness. It's not been great.
This is a great spot.
You still see the little sand buckets in the playground.
Another world, you know?
I love vines.
So I had a suspicion that it is, but I don't know for sure.
Something to do with a train or something?
And then, so that would be my initial, there's like tunnels to it.